Did you know you can't burp in space? It's true. In the microgravity environment of space, the gas and liquid in your stomach don't separate like they do on Earth. Normally, when you burp, the gas rises to the top of your stomach, and you release it. But in space, everything is mixed together, so when you try to burp, you might just end up tasting your last meal again. Imagine floating around, trying to relieve that pressure, only to find yourself in a fizzy situation. Astronauts have to be careful with carbonated drinks, too. They can't just pop a soda and expect a refreshing burp. Instead, they risk a bubbly mess. So, next time you enjoy a fizzy drink, remember, in space, it's a whole different ball game.